It's a great variety of cultures. This has indeed paved way to a massive global interaction. Students are an important part of this and help foster their values, which is clearly evident from the thematic assemblies conducted in our school. This has created awareness in us about the different nationalities and their cultures, helping us to coexist peacefully. Following the successful World Culture Forum, WCF, in 2013, Indonesia will once again host a similar event. The World Culture Forum 2016 commences today and continues until the 14th in Nusa Dua, Bali. The forum will bring local wisdom and culture from Indonesia and the world, bridged by technology to enhance global values for sustainable future development. The forum will have a special meaning for the participants, as it will allow them to re-experience, reconceptualize, and rejoice their cultures. It is expected to revisit local wisdom for the subsequent transformation of global values to foster international understanding. The World Culture Forum also makes it possible and easier for the people of the UAE and all around the world to be friends. People from different countries, cultures, and backgrounds across the globe live in harmony in the UAE. There's always a unity in the diversity it accommodates. This makes it a melting pot of cultures. This cultural exchange makes it possible for people of different countries of the world to nurture peace, build relations, and create a sense of mutual respect. To take this topic forward, I call upon Shivanshu to share his message on peace.